take a look around up here and see if anything new grew. Popped up. What is this? Like a bunched up bud or something. I think I know what that is. I don't know what the hell that is. Alien pods. Cool. And from these flowers right here, guess when they get done they make these alien pods. Ha! They're pretty cool looking.